Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about high frequency welding parameters and how we basically optimize and gradually increase them for a better seam. There are three important welding parameters, namely the efficiency, pressure, and time. And let's turn on the machine and I'll try to show you that how we basically play with those parameters to find a optimized welding parameters for our seam. In the middle, you can see the efficiency of the machine, 63 at the moment, and on the left side, the welding time in seconds. And then on the right side is the cooling time. So in welding time means the electric field is active, and the cooling time means the electric field is not active. When I press this button, this is the pressure. It shows the values on the left and on the right side in bars. So this is the pressure on the left side during the welding time. This means when the electric field is active, and then on the right side you can see the pressure when the electric field is inactive in bars. Setting it to 4 bars, it doesn't necessarily has to be the same values during the welding time and the cooling time. So basically these are the three important welding parameters with which we have to play together and find the optimum welding properties with a nice weld. In the middle you have this emergency stop in case you want to use it. So let's start welding. I will begin carefully with low machine settings. Right now the machine efficiency is 47 and 5-second is welding time. High frequency weld is going on, and now the cooling time has started. This means the electric field is inactive, and I will go and check. After that, now it's safe to go near the machine. I'll take the seam and see if the weld has taken place. So apparently nothing has taken place, so it's just some a little bit of adhesion between them, but mainly it's not because of the welding or the melting of the thermoplastic material. So I have to do it again, and this time I'm going to further optimize my machine parameter. I will, from 47 I'll go to, let's say, 67%, and again checking, placing it in the middle. Pressing both sides will activate the high frequency weld. Electric field is now active. The yellow line in the middle is on. It's off. This means cooling time has started. When the cooling time is finished, electrode will go up, and now it's safe to go near the machine. And let's see if the weld has taken place. A little bit of joining of material I can see here, but it's mainly on the border of the seam. So apparently we have to further optimize the welding parameters. Now it's easy to peel it off. So the thermoplastic coating is there, and the weld is weaker than the thermoplastic coating. So I will again go to the parameter. I will further increase the machine efficiency. Maybe I can give more time to the welding material to absorb this electric field and react to this energy and bring it to the melt. Pressure seems fine to me. 4 bar is good enough. I'll place again the new material here, place it my seam on top of that, place it in the middle of the electrode, and see also from the side, so that's in the middle. Place it down, and now press from the both sides, and then the Electric field is active now. You have to be staying away from it during this time. And now this cooling time is now active. Reactor goes up automatically. And now I will remove my material. And now you can see that you have a very nice impression of the welded seam on the surface. The coating has melted and came out of the welding zone. So apparently the pressure is a little too much. The seam is also a little bit warm, but it's not burning my hand. And I can see that it looks like a very nice weld. So that's how basically you optimize your welding parameters in high frequency welding. You do after that different testing and see which parameters are the most optimal one. Well, thank you very much. That's it.